Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Crystal gift set is probably one of the most exquisite and thoughtful presents you can choose for any occasion, offering a touch of elegance and lasting beauty that recipients are sure to cherish for years to come. These sets often feature a curated selection of high-quality crystal items, ranging from delicate glassware and decorative pieces to personalized keepsakes, making them a versatile and impressive gift option for birthdays, anniversaries, holidays, or just to show someone you care. Number 5. Chakra Healing Stones Premium Kit. Discover the power of natural crystals and healing stones with our premium kit. It's designed to help you immediately balance your chakras and enhance your well-being. This essential collection includes everything you need: 7 chakra tumble stones, a pendulum, a clear quartz point, an amethyst cluster, and raw rose quartz. You'll also receive a reference guide and an ebook. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This kit is perfect for beginners and practitioners alike, beautifully packaged in a wooden box, ready to inspire encouragement, celebration, or simply bring harmony to any space. We take pride in offering the highest quality. Each stone is individually hand-picked with passion, ensuring a balanced and aesthetically pleasing collection for your healing journey. Your purchase includes a handy reference poster and an 82-page ebook. Learn how to choose, use, charge, and activate your crystals to maximize their benefits. We are confident you'll love this collection. If for any reason you're not completely satisfied within 120 days, you can return it for a full refund. Experience the unique beauty of natural stones. What we like? This set is a fantastic value, offering a comprehensive collection of 7 chakra stones, a pendulum, a crystal point, and more. It's beautifully packaged in a wooden box, making it an ideal gift. If you're looking for a complete and well-presented healing crystal set for beginners or practitioners, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The stones are beautiful. They are high quality. My daughter-in-law absolutely loves crystals and is quite knowledgeable on the subject. She loved this set, the vivid colors, descriptions for each one, and the nice size and weight of each crystal, so much better than the sets with the little ones. The crystals are absolutely beautiful, the quality is outstanding, and the included ebook is such a thoughtful bonus. It's packed with detailed information about each crystal and their functions, which makes the whole experience even more meaningful. Number 4. Scorpio Crystals Gift Set. Discover the power of gemstones tailored to your zodiac sign. These stones are believed to bring positive energy and enhance your life. This set includes amethyst, citron, red jasper, black obsidian, green fluorite, and labradorite. These stones are chosen to bring pleasure, wealth, and resonance to Scorpios. Presented in an exquisite gift box, this set features a unique design that lights up your zodiac sign. Each crystal's name and benefits are clearly labeled for easy understanding. This constellation crystal set is an excellent starter kit for anyone new to crystals or looking to expand their collection. It includes a zodiac sign card to help you learn more about yourself. Your purchase includes a convenient ebook guide. It details the crystals, their benefits for Scorpio, and how to use, clean, and charge them, ensuring you can access this information anytime. What we like? This set is tailored specifically for Scorpios, featuring hand-selected crystals known to resonate with the zodiac sign's traits. The unique horoscope box with lighting and detailed crystal information makes it a standout gift. If you are a Scorpio or looking for a personalized astrological gift, this set offers a unique connection to your sign. What people say. The quality is great, packaging was awesome, and it kept me from a spell. There was a nice variety of stones. They look great. The stones are palm size. Great gift for someone. The color accuracy is on point. They are durable and don't break easy. The stones are a decent size, not super small, and the box looks amazing. Number 3. Chakra Healing Crystals Set with Rose Wand and Ball. Discover our most complete collection designed to elevate your spiritual practice. This extensive 22-piece set includes everything you need to begin your journey, featuring hand-selected stones from Brazil and Madagascar. Find your inner peace amidst the chaos. Each of the 7 sacred stones possesses a unique energy to calm, open, and empower, helping to dissolve stress and keep you grounded. Make a lasting impression with a gift that truly shines. Arriving in a stunning, vintage-inspired wooden treasure box, this set is designed to create an unforgettable unboxing experience, perfect for any occasion. New to crystals? No problem. Our professional guidebook and identification chart provide all the knowledge you need to cleanse, activate, and use your set with confidence. Bring tranquility to your workspace or personal altar. These expertly sized stones fit perfectly into any space, offering a touch of nature's calm without the clutter. Searching for that perfect wow effect gift? Responsibly sourced and beautifully presented, this set is a thoughtful surprise that resonates with the soul, ideal for birthdays and anniversaries. What we like? This is a very comprehensive 22-piece set that goes beyond basic stones, including a rose crystal wand and ball, chakra bracelets, and a necklace. The vintage-inspired wooden box with intricate carvings adds a touch of luxury. If you desire a more extensive collection with unique tools for energy balance and protection, and appreciate a beautiful presentation, this set is perfect for you. What people say. It has a lot of crystals all sizes. The box is really beautiful. It has a little bit of everything, so it works great for a beginner collector. My granddaughter loved this treasure chest full of rock, crystals, completed jewelry, a crystal ball with mini stand, explanation of the stones and types. The crystals are marvelous, truly beautiful. Number 2. AOOVOO 17 PCS Crystals and Healing Stones Set. Unlock a world of tranquility with our exquisite crystal and healing stone set. Designed to bring balance and harmony to your life. Experience the power of 14 genuine raw chakra stones, carefully selected to align your energy centers. Feel the natural vibrations enhance your well-being. Perfect for meditation and yoga, this set includes a selenite charging plate and an amethyst necklace. Enhance your spiritual journey and self-care routine. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This beautiful collection, featuring rose quartz and more, comes in an elegant gift box. It's an ideal present for Mother's Day or any occasion. Embark on your crystal journey with ease. Our set includes a guide for beginners, making it simple to understand and utilize the benefits of these powerful stones. This comprehensive set offers a curated selection for both new enthusiasts and experienced collectors. Expand your collection and deepen your connection to the Earth's energy. What we like? This set offers a good variety of raw chakra stones along with a selenite charging plate and an amethyst necklace, providing multiple ways to utilize crystal energy. It's presented in a gift box and includes a guide for beginners. If you're looking for a set that includes a charging element and a wearable crystal piece, this option is a great starting point. What people say. It has everything one needs to get started, a wide variety of stones, nicely sized pieces, and even an amethyst necklace. The set includes beautiful raw chunks like amethyst, rose quartz, red jasper, and more, a bag of small tumbled stones, and even a selenite wand for cleansing. As someone just beginning to explore crystals and chakras, I love that this kit gives me a full range to work with right away: grounding stones, heart-healing stones, calming ones, energizing ones. Number 1. Inspireyes 7 Chakra Crystal Candles. Discover the Inspireyes Chakra Candles, a set of 7 designed to bring harmony to your mind and spirit. Each candle is infused with healing crystals to help balance your energy centers. Immerse yourself in a variety of unique aromatherapy scents. These fragrances are crafted to promote balance, relieve stress, and bring a sense of calm to your daily life. Elevate your meditation practice or simply unwind after a long day. These candles offer a perfect solution for relaxation and sensory pampering. Made with natural soy wax, each candle provides a clean burn of 10 to 15 hours. Enjoy their soothing presence safely on a stable surface. Presented in beautiful gift box packaging, this set makes a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Share the gift of positive energy and relaxation with friends and loved ones. What we like? This unique set combines the benefits of chakra stones with scented soy wax candles, offering a multisensory approach to relaxation and positive energy. Each candle has a distinct aroma and a tumble stone. If you enjoy aromatherapy, meditation, and creating a calming atmosphere, this set is an excellent choice for promoting positive energy and relaxation. What people say. It comes with 7 of them, and the crystals are absolutely beautiful, and there's so many of them. Comes with a nice variety of candles. I bought these for a gift for my daughter. She loves the little candles, especially since they have 7 chakras, little crystals, and she said she loved the scents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.